So, ibig sabihin, may mga experience talaga na si Michael sa environment. And then, of course, hindi ganun pa, papalampasin yung, of course, I'd like to thank Asik Jackie because in terms of really steering EMB, no? Kasi kita natin, ang EMB, talagang iba yung pagtingin nila pag sinabi EMB. So, ngayon, aalis si Asik Jackie, but really not she will not be leaving us. Kahit anong mabigay ko dyan, please record. Please comment, please handle. Kahit na patong-patong yung schedule na she made a point na ma-deliver na yung mga output. So, Asik Jackie, happy birthday and I thank you for giving us the opportunity to work with you. You will be leaving a beautiful legacy.
Wala. Ang ipip ko kasi I always emphasize integrity, professional approach. I've seen these people. Kaya sabi ko, amazing, these people. Diba? And sabi ko nga, my heart is full because of that. Because I'm so proud of this bureau. Kaya mas sinasabi nila, huwag kayong magpakabog. Kaya nyo yan. And I know that you possess the exact blend of visionary leadership, integrity, and strength needed to spearhead the EMB into its next great chapter. Attorney Mike, we have our unwavering belief that under your stewardship, the EMB will achieve even greater triumphs for our environment and the people we serve. To my beloved EMB family, we welcome you with open heart, open mind, and all the support you extended to me. So, maraming salamat for that. And please extend to Director Mark the same loyalty, the same passion, the same unyielding support that you so generously gave to me.
Isa pa rin sa pagiging swerte ko ay sinusundan ko si Asik Jackie. Sa DNR NCR, so mabait silang lahat pagdating doon. So I hope that I will be able to continue at least we're all professionals, you know? Alam natin kung ano yung direksyon ng opisina, ano yung kinakailangan natin gawin. And dapat natin gawin bago pa pagmulan ng malaking problema. That I think should be one of the things that we will be looking at closely this time around. Dapat pag pumunta tayo sa field, alam natin yung sistema, alam natin kung saan nagmumula yung problema. We can confidently say, ma'am, that dito sa atin sa EMB, we're standing on shoulders of giants, diba? As the well-known saying goes, with great power comes great responsibility. For us, this responsibility is not a privilege to enjoy, but an obligation to fulfill with integrity, dedication, and excellence.